Today we're going to make a pouring media art. We're going to spill and paint and have a lot of fun with the video. Hope you join us in paint with us. Let's start! I think we got not enough paint, so we need to start all over. Cover all these whites we have on the side, okay? Here is our painting. You can look this, or this. Any direction.
And this is what I made. It's beautiful. I hope you like what I made.
Yeah, it was Nadya's part. We used some mixed media and it actually feels like it's like a leather.
It's like alligator skin. You can feel it. You can feel it when it dries out. And you can try to feel it, but it has a little oil on it and it feels like alligator skin.
It feels like alligator skin, so hope you like it. You also can get this painting for free. Just go to Nadya's Instagram, say blue, say blue, comment just blue under the photo post and hope you win.
And
Good luck!
And you can do any color you can say.
Yeah, you can use any color for your paintings, right?
You don't have to copy us. If you want to copy us, then look at my channel.
Good luck. Bye-bye.
Bye.